What's up, fishers? Brand here with Dude Fish, out on the water again this evening. It's about 11 o'clock. Kind of got a late start today. You saw in my last video I got my pivot drive in for my Pursuit, and I got it installed, so I'm gonna go out and try it out, do a little fishing. Yeah, I got it all installed, guys. It's super smooth. Super smooth. Here it is on the back, got it installed. The steering mechanism. But, we're going to get out here and I'll give my initial thoughts on it. I'm not going to do an in-depth review. That'll be coming later, after I get a little time on it. But we'll see what it can do. I've got a Hobie BOS tournament coming up next weekend on Lake Seminole, so no electric motors for Hobie BOS series. So I got that in last week and got it on, and I'm gonna get it out here and put it through some paces. So y'all come along with me, and let's see what it's got. Alright guys, my initial impression of the pedal drive, pivot drive is smooth as silk. There's really no resistance at all. Feels like you're pedaling air, but you're moving along pretty good. I was able to keep up a comfortable 3.5 miles an hour. I got a little over 4 with a little more effort, but about 3.5 is a comfortable cruising speed on it. And as far as boat control, with the propulsion being in the back, it's easy just to swing the nose of the boat around, almost in a 360. I can pedal in reverse and that nose will just kick right around, pretty much sitting in one spot. Same way going forward, you pretty much turn on the dime. With my old town, with the propulsion being up front and the rudder in the back, it's a little wider turn on your turns when you're sitting still. This turns way sharper, and like I said, about 3.5 comfortable cruising speed. I'm at 3 miles an hour right now. 3.5, so I'm moving along pretty good with not a lot of effort, so far so good, guys. Shaky head, a little smaller. Small largemouth, guys. chatterbait, little tiny thing. Largemouth. I'm on the chatterbait, guys. guys, that's going to do it for today's trip. Caught quite a few bass. Most of them were small, but the main reason I was coming up here is to test the pivot drive out. My initial thoughts on it, did quite well. As I set out on the water, I was able to maintain a comfortable cruising speed of about 3.5 miles an hour. If I pushed it, I could get over 4, but that's really not realistic, keeping up that speed. But just a casual pedal right at 3.5. Handled great in the wind. As long as I kept my nose in the wind, I was able to keep my boat position pretty good. And with the propulsion being on the back, boat control is awesome. You can just turn the pivot drive and do a half a pedal, and you can kick the nose of the boat around where you need it. Versus, you know, on my old town with the propulsion being up front and the rudder in the back, takes a little bit more space to turn. But this thing will sit in one place and almost do a 360. It's great boat handling. But we'll see how it does long term. This is just my initial thoughts, and so far I'm happy with it. Don't know about the durability of it. We'll see in time, see how it holds up. I'll be going to Lake Seminole next weekend for a BOS tournament, Hobie BOS, and I'll be practicing 2 days and then fishing 2 days, so I'll have 4 days on it to see how it does. But right now, it's I'm pretty happy with it. That's going to do it, guys. Hit that like and subscribe button, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of my future videos. And thanks for watching, guys.